Welcome to one of the most advanced energy drink factories in the world, where precision, speed, and quality come together.
Hundreds of trained South Asian female workers enter the facility, following strict safety and hygiene protocols.
Water, the most important ingredient, is purified through a multi-stage filtration system to ensure maximum quality.
We have a minor anomaly in the assembly sequence.
Overriding the parameter limits. The system should compensate immediately.
Powerful industrial mixers blend the ingredients until a perfectly balanced formula is achieved. Samples are regularly tested in quality control laboratories to meet strict international standards.
Natural and artificial flavor essences are added to give Red Bull its unique and consistent taste.
Carbon dioxide is carefully injected to give the drink its signature refreshing carbonation.
Each can is thoroughly washed and sterilized to maintain complete cleanliness and safety.
The high-speed conveyor system ensures that every can is filled with absolute precision, showcasing remarkable efficiency and zero waste.
Every fill level is carefully controlled to ensure consistency in every single can.
In this facility, every carton is meticulously tracked under strict climate control, ensuring optimal conditions.
Every carton here is bound for international waters, meticulously prepared for the journey ahead.
Are the specs on the interface finalized?
Yes, they match the manifest. We are clear for final approval.
That's the last pallet for this run. Secure it tight.
Roger that. We'll have this sealed in 5.
Once fully prepared, the trucks leave the factory, delivering vital energy to millions worldwide.
From raw ingredients to a powerful energy drink, this is how Red Bull is made, with precision, passion, and perfection.